And Boteto carries all the way in over the Panther line to drop for Rivera with a shot glove save by Reimer. He gathers in the rebound.
Oh.
And now we got something going.
Yeah, they're going to go.
McKenzie along with Watson. Tell you, it's been a spirited first period by the Panthers.
I tell you what, if McKenzie connected with that right overhand, it would have been nasty. But Watson has been there before as well. He is not new to dropping the gloves.
And a chance, a glove save by Reimer on Smith. And now Trocheck and Zalnerchuk really getting into it in front. It's a rare shift, Eddie, in the first period for Zalnerchuk there at the end.
Well, they didn't like where he was, and the Florida Panthers, I guess, are telling everybody that's watching we're not going to take it anymore.
Pesek out at center. The work at the Predators line. Fisher goes down but feeds it back, and then Yarncroke just tackles Paul Thompson. And play continues, and now Thompson will finally get the whistle because him and Fisher are in a fight. This is the third fight of the night. How they let all that go until it finally got to an actual fight is remarkable, but Paul Thompson and Mike Fisher finally threw him.
You know, it has to be said, this refereeing pair is very lucky that the league and the players are not into this mode a lot. You don't see a lot of fights. You don't see a lot of that because it's really been toned down.